The moment they enter into the school, how they take charge of the students, all those things just impressed me a lot, and I am really happy about this school. Not only that, to be frank, my child did not obey me when she was in school, but after coming to school, she became so obedient and she started learning all by herself, and that's wholehearted effort of these teachers.
All the facilities for not only studies and also encouraging the students in extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities. Teachers are not only teaching, they are also mentoring the children to do all the activities and how to be obedient. Not only teachers and management at the school, but also caretakers also taking our care of our child very much.
We entirely thanks the entire team for management, principal and the entire staff who supports our curriculum and activities towards the children. Thank you for everything, and it is a great pleasure that my student is safe in this environment.